jacket suit. I'm a businessman. I need 7 jacket suit because I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman. I only talk to business people. May I sell my page? I don't want to be here no more. I want to be a promoter. Yeah. I want to be a promoter. Me say, party nice, party nice, party nice. Last night me say party nice, brother. Last night me say party nice, yo. Fuck. You know what I say, man? Big up everybody. Too much people me can't call the name. But one thing melt me heart whole weekend. If you see whole ex-gang family in our party, dog. Miss Williams, KP, Mommy, Pretty Pumpkin, Mandy, Harvey, ex-gang me I see. Lava, big up your bumbuckler self, my general. Yo, when you didn't know, say Lava buy one ticket and he won't tell him for them party, you never know that. You see, last night, I want to say big up my bumbuckler general Ding Dong. Big up my general conscience. Big up the long tongue girl. Big up my general 6 boss. Big up the artist them. Travis. Big up your bumbuckler self. Authorize. Chris Diamond, the whole life selector. Fire Reds. Juxi Fire. You hear that? Big up all of my bartender, them who did help me see him with Queen Naya, all of them, Nicole, Dimple, Tiny, who again, Cat. The party was a joy. KP, mommy, reach I door last night and mama want pay going to the party. Me like that. Big up yourself. Party was a joy last night. Success. 3 nights. Just want to thank everybody for come out, who come out can support me. You understand? Right now, I just got to do some ads, because people them pay me for the ads. Tomorrow my birthday. Tomorrow my birthday. You understand? And big up all the people them. Yo, Royal Boss, big up your damn self. Big up Lady Wull them flying. Right now. What I want to do? I just want to shoot some ads and make $1,000 extra ads money and just go buy one half-white shirt today. If you go down, bad bumbuckler half-white shoot me off. For my birthday tomorrow. But me have a bumbuckler Gucci slippers. Them not tell us some boy Gucci slippers. Me tell us some big man Gucci slippers. Them expensive. Me I wonder, will me for wear tomorrow for my birthday? I have a blood clot Gucci slippers. I'm not talking about the regular Gucci slippers. I'm not telling you regular Gucci slippers. I'm telling you I have a hot blood clot Gucci slippers and I also want to put on that and keep it in. Dead, you know. You know tomorrow is my birthday. And you know tomorrow I'm gonna be 34. Me say, although me a thief, me tell you these people. No matter what they want to call in life, call the blood clot self so first. God love me. Me a God bless blood clot youth. Yo, me see Saturday night star, my go on, bro. Hold on, I'm going to call live, I'm going to call her back. Alright. Saturday night, me see Storm. Me out to do me right eye jump. And me see rain and wash rain and me say, you know, so me nah blood clot worry. Cause me right eye jump. Anyhow, me left eye jump now, me just go cry. Cause me know me sad. Anytime nothing for deal with money and my blood clot right eye jump. You have a blood clot on send fire out of the sky if you tap my money we are come towards. This is a blood clot boy, yeah. Me say, when time me see Saturday, me see storm like rain a fall out of door, me say me right here, Joe. Me say me nah worry. Me nah worry. Cause my right here blood clot jump. When you see if you left here the jump now, me say alright then, me salt. But you see for last week, Monday, my right here jump straight blood clot through. Right now, I just need to go pick up my bike. Yes. And go buy a helmet. Because I don't want to drop off it no time soon and break up some part of me. Thank you. Right now, I'm going to call Massacre right now. I ask him how much he want for the dub plate there. Blessing if it flow like a river. Blessing if it flow like a river. Blessing if it flow like a river. Them fin know say man a leader. The fin know say man a leader. Don't make me press all the trigger. Blessing if it flow like a river. Yeah. Yo, Massacre. Somebody call Massacre and tell him some more of that pan dub plate. Hey. Me say no tell Massacre and Corey Tad say more and blessing and flow like a river pan dub plate him and Dexter that. Lola! Pick up your bum buckler self, Lola smile. Lola and Miss Williams and Pretty Pumpkin and Wull me like how no support me. Lola, you know come and you know say era where you ticket then. Lola, I like your support, Lola, I love you. Tell Massacre say me want that pan dub plate. Now. Right now. Right now. I save some money right now. Blood clot. BRT and Dream Weekend time. Watch, I'm going to buy a piece of Jamaica. Yeah, I need 7 jackets suit. I'm a businessman. I need 7 jacket suit because I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman. I only talk to business people. You need a dub. Yes. Business. People, me just start telling you so, you know, dog. It was a nice. Party nice. Jaja. Authorize. Big up your bum buckler, sir. Give thanks, my general. Blesses. Aye. No. Business now, boom. It's like, bro. No. Dog, no hard me going on dog to keep the party, no brother. Dog, much sleepless night, me day in the street, you know, dog. Day in a party feel like more and drop asleep, but as a gangster, me have to hold it in a youth. Hold it in a dog. You know, I don't have the life, I mean, even I go over. Just go bathe. But even not bathe. Bathe already. Wash my face. Roll up on next cliff. I'm not gonna sleep. I deserve some rest, dog. Deserve some rest. X6, I see you. X6, I see you. X6, I see you. Yes. Thank you. life, you know? Hey. Hold on now. Wanna follow me? I know buy the blood clot take 6. Wanna turn to follow me? Don't forget money from to buy bumbo clot car. Wanna give me money? People just know say we the Icon Monday tonight. This is me I kick off my birthday party. Outside tonight, Icon Monday. Tonight. That me I tell you now. Man, the money for buying this tonight. I don't know where we get money from. We there, so I ask him earlier. I know. But for that big man level though, people. I just want to give thanks to everybody who followed out and support the party. I too much name. If me call everybody name, I go and maybe drop down. But don't know their Icon tonight. Tired of fuck with it. Yo. What you just said to me? You know, you are a wicked blood clot, dog. You see me run up and down from Monday to Monday. And you call me today while me go run. Bro, tomorrow's my birthday and you want me go run today. Me not think you see out of one of my blood clot here, them come here have yai fever. But then call it yai cold. You know, when the yai are full of matter. Yes, so me have to walk with me look a wet rag. You understand? My body paralyzed. Yes. My body weak. Right now.